While referee Buddy Cortez at Nestor Magpantay, Andre Felix, Olsen Rosella at Myrtle Sarosa, San Sebastian.
Oh, low-scoring game for St. Benil in that game against JRU. Only a combined 5 points between the 5 na pala to si ano.
Kaidagdag natin. Binangga na, may basket pa para kay Christian Bunyag. Australia, watch that again. Nice lob by Perelia. Ahead to Menina, hinahabol ni Pasamante. Sumakay ka ba? May foul na kasama, pupunta sa linya si Shane Menina.
That's what they need more of, ano, in production from Menina.
Athletic League of the Philippines is back. Second quarter.
Of course, is to defend against big guys of the other teams.
Cortina. Oh, the lob to Haruna, and that looks like a design play for Domingo and Haruna.
Perfect pass by JJ Domingo. Finding.
Hinihingi ni Oraime sa loob. Ito yung post move ni Olwell. Gets the bounce and the foul. And there's that quote-unquote Hakeem Olajuwon-like move.
Naninong pa hinintay yun. No? Pero nakita mo yun kung factor itong si Olwell Oraime. And partly, of course, maganda yung depensang Oraime kaya nalibre si Pajarito sa ilalim.
Pero balik naman ay libre si Oraime. Di naman ay lista mo ba ang 2 puntos para kay Olwell Oraime.
And that's the way they should give those passes to Olwell Oraime.
Ito na po ang panimula ng ating pangatlong yugto.
Jonathan Gray, who is really their best playmaker at last year.
Samantala, Oraime may 11 puntos na. At yes, kung may isang bagay nga na talagang dapat i-improve ni Haruna ang kanyang shooting, tumuloy-tuloy. That was a good fast break sequence. Shane Menina passing to his teammate Lawrence Victoria. Apulia asking for that isolation play. The spin, nice look inside. Ganda naman ng basket. 12 na kalamangan ng Cardinals. Santa Maria, a much needed basket that is. Just a 2, long 2. Kinailangan yun ng College of Shan. Blocked there by Isin. Oh, nice pass. Wala kay sa Mapua. Andoy Estrella, the spin move by Estrella.
Wow!
Move. Wala kay Andoy Estrella.
And mukhang magaling talaga sa open court itong si Azed.
18 rebounds and 4 blocks. Pangalawang laro naman, it was Davon Potts leading the way with 19. Lucho now has 4 rebounds. Pajarito, the spin move.
Wow!
Back-to-back.
Ngayon, kaya naman dahan-dahang nakakahabol itong Blazers, pero sumagot.
The second 3-pointer this game from a Cardinal. Yung una kanina kay Isip, pero isang yes! Para sa challenge ang balangka ni Pajarito kay Olwell Oraime. Menina thought about it. Corner. Nice pass to Serrano. Dixon in the middle, and Dixon for the Cardinals, he scored 10. Domingo has to fire a 3. Ilista mo na ang unang 3 puntos ni JJ Domingo. He has a total of 10.
Only his first.
4-3 no. Dixon, nakagawan pa ni Menina. Isit on.
CJ Isit. You have all the other guards, especially Estrella also. Malaking tulong for Mapua to get there.
To watch the latest game highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.